Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an everyday, very quick makeup look. So this is going to be a very quick, easy, everyday makeup look that literally takes me 5 minutes if I'm just wanting to have a fresh face. I wore this the other day for like a game night, and I got a lot of compliments on my skin. And you can't really tell you're wearing makeup, which is kind of the idea of it. So let's go ahead and get started. I already primed my skin with the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Primer, and then I'm going to go in with a Laura Mercier primer in Porcelain. I'm going to put a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and honestly, actually, I just put it on with my fingers. And then okay, so I get it spread, and then I'm just going to take a sponge and press that in. Okay, so we're almost done at this point. So I'm going to go in. I have a couple of acne. I have one right here and then one in the middle of my forehead. And yes, I'm an esthetician, but we still break out. Basically, I have been doing a lot of like, what's it called? A lot of skin. Like, I have not been I haven't been good about keeping a skin routine during this quarantine, and so I have gotten back into my skincare routine, and so I think my face is purging, which is always fun, but it has to happen. So what I did was I just took a little bit of concealer. I'm using the Marc Jacobs stick concealer today, and I just put it all over my face, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in. Okay, so now that we have that done, I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of powder. I'm using the Cover FX powder, and I'm just using a tiny little bit. And I'm gonna be using an e.l.f. small powder brush. It's a small taper brush. Get it in the powder, and I'm only going under my eyes with this because I don't need to powder the rest of my face because I am a drier skin person, and I want it to be a very glowy, easy look that doesn't look like I caked on makeup. So just a little bit right under the eyes. Easy as pie. And then I'm going to, okay, so you have the option to stop here, which I did the other day, but I'm gonna go 3 steps more. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take, and this is also why I didn't powder my face. Alright, so I have a couple cream products. So cream looks so much more natural on the skin than powder for some reason. So I'm going to take this Honest Beauty blush in Peony Pink. And it looks like this. And I'm just going to take my ring finger. And this is a little bit tricky. A cream blush is not always easy. So I'm going to do my best. But you just want to smile and then tap it. And then quickly as you can, tap in a motion that blends it. That should mimic your natural flush. And there you go. And I don't use a lot, I just use a little bit because less is more. And I might use a sponge to kind of help press it into my skin. And this is also, I think, a tint. No, it's not. Never mind. But I really like to just press it in with a sponge because it just makes it a little bit more uniform with everything. Next thing I'm going to do is put on a little bit of mascara, just a little bit of my Maybelline and one coat. This is a very small brush, and so it allows me to have a small coating of mascara without it looking like I have too much on. Okay, so now that we have that done, I have one more thing that I'm going to do, and this is completely optional again, but I'm going to take a MAC cream color base in Pearl, and I'm going to take it again on like a middle finger, just take a little bit, and I'm just going to put it right on the tops of my cheekbones, and then blend it with a finger that doesn't have any product on it. And there we go. And if I needed to, I would take my sponge and kind of help it blend. But one more step, again, you don't have to do it, but I'm going to be taking a lip stain in the color Dusty Rose from the Body Shop. And I'm going to go ahead and use this as my lipstick. So it has a nice little doe foot applicator. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. And that is my completed look, start to finish. Again, you can make this a lot more simple if you just wanted to do the foundation and not the concealer, or if you just wanted to do the foundation and concealer. That's what I did the other day. It does make it a lot more natural looking if you don't do any mascara, so I decided to try that out, and people really liked how my skin looked that day. So, and because we used a tinted moisturizer, it looks a lot more natural than it would if I used a foundation. You can kind of see my skin through it. We also didn't powder anything, so I don't know. I think we used all liquid. It looks so skin-like that I just really like this look, and I've been pretty much using it every day if I'm not like going to work or anything, which right now I'm not. And I don't know, it's just a fresh face. It's quick, it's easy, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure to leave me a comment about what you want to see on my channel in the next coming videos. So I'll go ahead and sign off, and I hope you have a wonderful day.